So this is these are the past lessons we have practiced, mashallah. And also now we have done all these i'mal, fataha, yaftahu, and this one. So this is the new lesson. Today's lesson we learn to make fi'l, maf'ul, fa'il. From fa'ain lam, fi'l, from fi'l, fa'ala. So the action of doer, fa'il, is this one. Yes, fa'il means doer.
Right. Do.
And the action of maf'ul is this one, the one who is affected. Maf'ul, yes. And fi'l, to do, act of doing. This one is the
Fi'l.
action of fi'l. Yes.
Fi'l.
Do you remember Muslim?
Yes.
Muslimun, Muslimin?
Yes.
Just like fa'il, singular, and fa'ilun, fa'ilin is plural. Fa'il, fa'ilun, fa'ilin.
Fa'ili, fa'il, fa'ilun, fa'ilin.
Yes. And this one is maf'ul,
Maf'un,
maf'ulun, maf'ulin.
maf'ulun, maf'ulin.
Yes. So fa'il is in front of you on this section, and it goes your right side when it's plural. Fa'il is singular, fa'ilun, fa'ilin. Maf'ul is singular, maf'ulun, maf'ulin, plural.
Naam.
I hope you got it.
Yes. Fa'il, fa'ilun, fa'ilin.
Perfect.
Maf'ul, maf'ulun.
No. Do it.
Oh,
Change the action.
maf'ulun,
Yes.
maf'ul, maf'ulun, maf'ulin.
MashaAllah. Yeah, that which is. Everyone is doing good deeds and good acts. Alhamdulillah. So, hal anta fa'ilun?
Al anta fa'il.
Do the action. Hal anta fa'ilun?
Hal anta fa'il.
Are you a doer of good deeds?
You are doing a good deed.
Naam. Ana fa'ilun.
Naam, ana fa'il.
Ana fa'ilun.
Naam, ana fa'il. It's
No.
plural.
Ana
Ana,
fa'il.
ana fa'il.
Yes, I am doing good deeds. Alhamdulillah.
Mm.
So hal
Yes.
antum fa'ilun?
Hal antum fa'ilun.
MashaAllah. Naam, nahnu fa'ilun.
Naam, nahnu fa'ilun.
Yes, we are doing good deeds.
We are doing good deeds.
Fataha means opener.
Fataha,
Fataha means open. Fataha means he opened.
you open.
And fath.
Fat,
Yes, the fi'l, to do and act of doing. Fath means,
fat,
yes, to open. Fath, open. An opening.
fat, open.
Yes. This is written. Fath, to open.
Fat, to open.
To open.
To open.
Yes. So Fatih, opener.
Fatih, opener.
Maftuh, the one which is open.
Maftu, the one which is open.
So Fatih is opener. Fatih
Yes,
means
open.
opener.
Fatih, opener.
And
open.
Maftuh, the one which is open.
Maftu, the one we just opened.
Which is open.
The one which is open. Must.
Fath, to open.
Okay. Fathu, to open.
Yes.
Okay.
So hal anta fatih? Hal anta fatih?
Hal anta fatih?
Naam, ana fatih.
Naam, ana fatih.
Yes. Are you opener? Yes, I am opener.
Yes, I open.
So halil masjidu maftuhun?
هل المسجد مفتوح؟
Is the masjid opened? Is the masjid opened?
هل المسجد مفتوح? Is masjid open?
Yeah. نعم. نعم.
نعم.
Yes. المسجد مفتوح. المسجد مفتوح.
المسجد مفتوح.
The masjid is open.
Masjid is open.
Ja'ilun means ja'ilun, maker, maker.
جاعل maker.
Ja'ala, he made. Ja'ala, he made. Ja'al. Ja'al. Jim, ayn, lam, ja'al. To make.
جاعل to make.
Ja'ilun, maker.
جاعل maker.
Maj'ulun, that which is made. Maj'ulun, that which is made.
مجعول, that which is made.
Yes.
مجعول.
Maj'ul like maf'ul, that which is made.
That which is make. مجعول.
Made. Yes. So let's do hal anta ja'il. Are you a maker?
هل أنت جاعل? Are you a maker?
Na'am, ana ja'il.
نعم أنا جاعل.
Yes, I make a good intention, mashallah. So, na'am,
Yes,
ana
I
ja'il. I am
نعم
a
أنا
maker.
جاعل. I'm a maker.
هل أنتم جاعلون.
هل أنتم جاعلون؟
أنتم remember this.
هل أنتم
جاعلون.
هل أنتم جاعلون؟
Are you all makers?
Are you all maker?
نعم نحن
نعم.
جاعلون.
نحن جاعلون.
Yes, we are makers.
We are makers.
So Nasara he helped. Nasara he helped.
Nasara
And
he helped.
Nasra to help. Nasr to help.
Nasr to help.
Do it. Do the action. Nasr to help.
Nasr to help.
Nasir helper. Nasir helper.
Nasr helper.
Mansur, the one who is helped.
Manzur, the one who is helped.
هل هو ناصر?
هل هو ناصر?
Yes, the real helper is Allah. He is Nasir. All of us are helped by Allah. So we are Mansur. Allah is Nasir and we are Mansur.
So Nasrin.
Yes, we are Mansur. Yes. So هل هو ناصر? هل هو ناصر؟
هل هو ناصر؟
نعم هو ناصر.
هو ناصر.
Yes. Is he a helper? Yes.
He
is a helper.
Yeah, help.
هل أنت منصور?
هل أنت منصور?
Yeah. Are you helped by Allah Almighty?
Are you helped by Allah Almighty? Are you helped?
نعم. أنا منصور.
أنا منصور.
MashaAllah.
I give the jackal. Lord.
خلق. خلق means he created. خلق, he created. So خلق, creation, to create. خلق, creation and to create. So خالق, creator. خالق, creator. And makhluk, the one who is created.
Makhluk, the one who is created.
Khalq, creation, to create.
Khalq, creation, to create.
Okay. Dhakara, he remembered. Dhakara, he remembered.
Dhakara, he remember.
Dhikr, to remember,
Dhikr.
remembrance.
Dhikr, to remember, remembering. Dhikr.
Do the action. Dhikr.
Dhikr, to remember, remember.
So Zakir, one who remembers.
Zakir, one who remember.
Madhkur, the one who is remembered.
Majkur, the one who is remembered.
Oh, mashallah. So we have done many fa'il and maf'ul today.
And it's good. I like this.
Learning tip, inviting the brain. Invite someone. Will you invite someone to a dinner with a tired, boring love and a spiritless voice? Never. He would rather starve than respond to such an invitation. So inviting your brain. So how will invite your brain to do the grammar practice and the translation? Not like a tired or a bored person. Do all of these practices with love and enthusiasm. Thanking Allah for giving this opportunity to learn Quran. Yes, of course, mashallah. Alhamdulillah. So remember, by the end of 18th lesson, we learned 222 words which occur in the Quran almost 40,469 times, mashallah. So we are reaching our goal and we gonna achieve that slowly, slowly. So may Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran.
Ameen.
Ameen ya Rabb. Subhanak Allahumma bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta. Nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Alhamdulillah ya Rabb.
This is good. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.